So I made this street sweeper attachment for the RC skid steer, but it has one major flaw: accuracy. Sweeping beans is one thing, but sweeping them into a specific area or pile is a whole other problem. To solve this, I'm implementing version 2 of the sweeper, which instead of sweeping everything forward, it now sweeps it back into a catch bucket, just like this real life attachment. To do this, we'll be using a similar setup to the bucket and claw design, where the enclosure for the brush will replace the claw. When closed, the brush will sweep everything into the bucket, and when open, it'll allow us to tilt the bucket and dump out all the captured debris. This brush setup is much wider than the original bucket in order to sweep up a larger area. I did have to make a couple iterations, such as raising the front lip on the brush cover to allow larger objects underneath, as well as making the assembly lighter, as the skid steer does struggle to lift this large of an attachment. But with the help of some additional counterweight, it manages no problem. To test it, we used a mixture of beans and screws, then some 3D printer poops, all of which worked really well. Then we sat down, ate some stale bread, and tested for household practicality, again scoring a 10 out of 10. This attachment is on the update plus upgrades page of the Professor Boots workshop.